Got the message. What's the emergency?
I don't know. Grand Commander Farmer called us here. It's a matter of the utmost importance.
Cadets, attention!
Cadets, you've wondered why I've called you here today. There's been an attack in Seoul, South Korea. 500 cadets have been killed. And we don't know who possibly did it. Wait. One moment. Don't mind him. Don't mind him. He's an insubordinate. Drag him away. Take him.
Fucking dead weight.
Don't get him on me.
Dead weight.
Use him as an example. 500 respectable cadets have perished in a cyber attack. I've got intel of who could have possibly done this. His name is Pentagram. Quit crying. Quit crying. You're a good cadet. Wipe that grin off your face, soldier. Cadets, because of what happened in Seoul, South Korea, we are at war. We are at war.
What's a pentagram?
No talking when I'm talking! I'm taking all your employability points off your life.
Ow, 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 ow. Please don't hurt me.
End program. So as I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted, you guys are the best of the best. You guys are a stone wall, a juggernaut. You guys, Germans, they had the Blitzkrieg. You're as unstoppable as the German Blitzkrieg. They swept across Europe in a matter of 6 months, destroying all in their path, just as you have destroyed lines of code in your guys' keyboard's path. I need 2 worthless troglodyte, plebeians, profligates, degenerates to go in there and do this work. Anyone up for it?
Was I making this or like this and
start. Wait, just look at
They usually just like put up together, do like a firing squad or like gas you, which one's slowing up.
The fools, they have perished. Alas, what a grim fate. May they be remembered forever in our hearts. Now I can cash in on that sweet, sweet life insurance policy I took out on them before they died.
Lick your lips.
I knew these two probably would fail. Such is life. They tell you, spirits have loved and lost. The two never ever loved at all. I suffer from crippling depression. It eats me from the inside out, rotting my insides, crippling my psyche. What does it matter? What does anything matter?
Harry, shut up.
This is life. A perpetual existence of torment. I can off myself right here, right now. But I don't, for I choose to see others excel where I have failed. C'est la vie.
Wait, look! They're alive!
Oh my god! Mother of God, they're alive!